Sailing in the Mediterranean is always a fantastic experience, and although it's more challenging in the winter, there are excellent cruising opportunities all year round. This delivery was undertaken in April. Spring was in the air and it was starting to warm up. Although it was cold at night, the daytimes were just perfect. We had a mixture of conditions, which is so typical for this region. Some days with no wind, others with rain and strong isolated gusts. The localised winds can be ferocious, and it's always worth keeping an eye on the sky for imminent changes. The Mistral had been blowing for several days. The Mistral is a strong, cold, northwesterly wind that blows from southern France into the Gulf of Lions. The winds and swell can spread all the way across to Corsica and Sardinia. For this reason, we took the longer route and stayed to the east of Corsica. The calm conditions make it easy to cook. The downside is that we are forced to motor sail for more than we would like, and that means topping up with diesel whilst underway. The delivery took just over a week. In this time we became very fond of the yacht. Upon arrival in Marseille, she was hoisted out of the water and is now up for sale. She's a beautiful yacht and is ready for a new adventure.